Hey everyone, my name's David. I'm at the specialist on the Fairview location. We just wrapped up doing a full sound system and install on a 2019 Jeep Wrangler for a customer. What we started doing is we changed out the factory radio to a Stinger Jeep specific kit. This has a ton of cool features. It retains all factory functions from steering wheel controls, volume knobs to AC. A really nice thing that this does for Jeep owners is it gives you full control over factory performance. Also does factory gauges. Best thing it does is it gives you pitch and roll for if you're going off-roading. This is a great radio. We also did a full sound system in this, so an amplifier is hooked up to this radio. Amplifier goes underneath the passenger seat with a custom plate for it to be mounted. In addition to adding the amplifier, what we did is went ahead and changed out all factory speakers. The speakers that are down in the knee bolsters were a 4-inch speaker originally. We went ahead and upgraded the pod and speaker to a 6.5. Went ahead and changed out the tweeters in the dash to 1-inch tweeters. These speakers are in Rockford's new line of Punch series. It's in their P2 series, which gives us a component set up front. What we also did is in the Jeeps, there's a sound bar up here that also comes with the 4-inch speaker. What we did is put new pods in here to get a full 6.5 coaxial speaker. There is an option for grills for the speaker themselves. This customer opted to not have any grills, but we can definitely add some to them. One last thing I wanted to show everyone, we went ahead and did add a subwoofer to the system. This subwoofer is special because Stinger designed a box that actually mounts to the tailgate. Best thing about this is you're not losing any cargo space inside the vehicle except the 6 inches when this is pulled in. It comes with an audio control subwoofer, gives you great bass. It is Rhino line, so it does stand up to the elements with the Jeep. I know that's important when taking all the roofs and stuff off of it as well. All right, thank you for watching, everyone. My name is David. If you have any questions about this particular build or any other questions that concerns car audio, please give us a call at 520-888-0081. We also do upholstery, window tint, paint protection, and all 12-volt aftermarket accessories. Please visit our website at az-specialist.com. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you for watching.